The nation's high court has ruled an abortion-inducing pill can remain accessible, but not in Kentucky. Bodie Brooks explains.
We can sigh a little breath of relief for those of us who know the importance of access to Mifepristone nationwide.
While we may not like it that they didn't get an opportunity to take up the case, that's disappointing. The court ruled unanimously on the constitutionality.
Reactions to Thursday's Supreme Court ruling allowing the abortion-inducing drug Mifepristone to be mailed to patients without an in-person doctor visit are rippling among advocates in Kentucky. However, the impact it has on the bluegrass state doesn't make a big difference to Kentuckians' abortion access.
We had the trigger law that was enacted and took place after Dobbs, and prior to that, we had passed House Bill 3.
2022's House Bill 3 made Mifepristone illegal to ship in Kentucky and created more certification requirements on providers that made it harder to prescribe in person. A few months later, the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, kicking in Kentucky's trigger abortion ban passed in 2019. The same year, lawmakers changed abortion limits from 22 weeks into a pregnancy to 6 weeks.
So we have so many bans in place and obstacles that have been put forward really in the past decade that legislators have been really intentional to make so many obstacles to care that make it insurmountable.
Kentucky State Director of Planned Parenthood Alliance Advocates Tamara Weeder says although the ruling is a relief to her, she knows the court could revisit this issue again soon. The ruling was a technical one. The court said the doctors who brought the case lacked what's known as standing, which means the court doesn't see how the plaintiffs were necessarily affected or harmed by the issue.
They will be open to revisit the case. It just has to be properly, from my understanding, presented before the court, where they can look at the merits of the issue.
Kentucky Right to Life's Adia Wishner says a mother or child who believes they were harmed by the drug is the most likely route to bring the case in front of courts again. As for what could be ahead for Kentucky, she said she'd like to see lawmakers take a closer look at the possibility the pill is being brought into the state illegally, something she considers an issue of public protection. Bodie Brooks, Fox 56 News.